Today we will be building this legendary airplane Spitfire.
I think this is gonna be an exceptionally good toy because it looks like a build your own, and you can see that there are materials over here, like there's a paintbrush, so I think we have to paint it, and this, maybe we have to glue the pieces together. I also like craft, so...
Okay, let's open it. So in the box we have
some pieces,
paintbrush,
some metallic acrylic paints and glue,
instructions, and some special stickers.
Everything you need to build this realistic model is already included in the box. The only other tools we decided to use were cutting mat, spruce cutter, flat file, tweezers, knife and wood mixing sticks. Cutting out the parts is a bit tricky. I showed Max how to do it and then we chat as he decided to do all the cutting by himself. We used parts of the box to create our own gluing tools. It's gluing time. We stick the pieces together and sometimes our fingers too. It's a bit messy, but we are laughing through it. Each piece we add makes our plane look cooler. A handy hack was to use clothespins to hold pieces together while glue was drying. Our Spitfire is really taking shape now. We talk about the plane, imagining it soaring into the sky. It's not just a model, it's a story we're building together. It was a bit tricky to paint the plane, because we used a water-based acrylic paint, but the model is plastic, so we have to cover the paint at least 3 times. And then we had to wait between each layers to make sure the paint is dry. My son loves painting, and all the years of experience of coloring by numbers came handy here, because we had to color quite a few quite small detailed pieces. This is the first model that I have ever built, and it's the first model we ever built together with my son. But I reckon we are doing a great job. It's not just about the plane in this case, it's about laughs, the chats and the time we spent together. And maybe our model will turn out not perfect, but it's not about that, it's about making memories. One of the most rewarding steps of building a model is actually to put the stickers that will add this extra realistic view. This is a special type of stickers that you have to put in water first and then transfer it into the model. We wiped the extra water with a kitchen towel and now our Spitfire is ready to fly. After playing with it for a while, we put it on a special stand that we painted and glued together in advance. Now I have a Spitfire model on my table that reminds me every day how much fun we had with my son putting it together.